stuff. What do you think? Good morning. I did do my varnishing. Varnished the kitchen cabinet. Varnished everything here. Then we came up with a way that I can put the sockets in. It's going to be a little board there with the sockets in that you can put in your computer, your phone, whatever you need. It's going to be this board. And that will sit right there against the wall. But first, I'm going to have some fun. I bought some fabric and I think I can make an awning. Let's see if it works. This stuff is extremely cheap, and for 80 liras somebody put a whole edge on it and all these rings in it. So I think with 2 poles that could work. So I'm going to tie it to the car first. Three by 3. Alright, lesson number 1, get a lighter. Ow! That should work. One thing learned, I can do a few at a time. But no, they're not. At least next time the rope will be half as long. But I didn't know how much I needed, so I just kept it as it was. Next step. We bought these metal bars as supports. But of course, because of the rings, we need to have a pointy tip. So we went to the industrial area. There was somebody welding gates together. And that was the answer. On top of the gates here, they all have these pointy things. So he welded them on. Cost nothing. Let's hope it works. Only just. Wow! I think that worked out really well. It'll get 2 ropes on the poles, and I'm gonna find out if there's a way that I can roll it up with the sticks in it and then store it that way on the roof rack. That would be perfect, but not sure if I can do that alone. I'll have to ask Ken at the end of the day. But I'll have shade this afternoon when I do the electrics. And then at the end of the day, the cushions will go in. Wow. I hope this sunscreen will live a few years, considering the price. I see that's under 500 liras. It's nothing. Alright, back to work. I'm going to put these plugs in this board, wire them up, and then Ken's going to adjust it to the wall. He had an idea. It's hot. 9 o'clock and already hot, but I want to finish this off. Which go first? 230. 230. 12 volt, USB in the middle. These ones I made the other day, they go to the inverter. The other end goes there. This one's not straight. I'll live with it. This one, voltage meter, should tell me what the battery's doing. But I didn't realize it's so short I can't reach it with the ring. So the only thing I can think of is glue it on. But then it's on for good, even if it doesn't work. But I guess that's what I have to do. Well, that's it. Quite okay. Glue the last one in, put it in place. And now the glue is dry, it looks good. What do you think? I think that'll work nicely. So it's the big time to put the cushions in. Let's do it. Close your eyes. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna call it a day. Wow, but I think I'm done. I have some technical problems with the engine and cooling and stuff. I have to have the ladder remade for on the back, but we can go out and try it out. Happy days.